The eighth stop on our September tour gets unexpectedly emotional. Our time in medieval Philadelphia continued at Woodlands Cemetery. What the? Did you just see that? What makes this cemetery unique is that it is on the grounds of an 18th century mansion, which kind of makes sense, to convert the beautiful manicured lawns of the mansion into a cemetery. I don't know if I'd want someone else's portico distracting from my spot in the ground, but that's between me and my God. And in a new September segment, I thought we'd talk to a local here at the cemetery. Hello there. Can you tell us what you know about cemetery finances in general? Are you open to an external audit? I see. I love this medieval Main Street section, beautiful infrastructure. And this is definitely the largest obelisk we've seen in any cemetery, I think. Would you guess this obelisk belongs to a pharaoh of the New Kingdom, the Middle Kingdom, or a prominent dentist? The answer might surprise you. Where things did get emotional for me were these cradle-style graves, where they have a headstone and a stone border forming a little nature bathtub. I just loved them. I assumed it was because I tend to like organic flowing shapes confined by a hard, crisp border. But then I think it was something more. The plants gave the graves this beautiful individuality, and they seemed to illustrate the unique, complicated life that each person had lived and died. Like, look at the difference of these stone tops and this floral fellow in the center. I'm gonna lose it. And I learned later that this was no accident. Woodland has a team of volunteers who are assigned individual cradle graves, and they maintain them with the appropriate plant life for the area. They are called the grave gardeners. I love it. When I saw these two cradle graves, and it looks like one is leaning its head on the other's shoulder, dear reader, this peasant lost it. I don't really know where these emotions came from. It's possible I've been spending a lot of time alone in cemeteries, but I don't think so. Finally, I did think there would be tassels here. When a cemetery has monuments like this, they're usually sure to have at least one tassel. I couldn't find any though. It's very possible I just missed them in my emotional wreckage. Because I definitely did look. I found this abstracted passementerie version, but that's the best I could do. I just kept thinking about these two. But look at this, on my way out, little tassels. Isn't that nice? It's gonna be okay. You know why? Tassels don't die.